Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build email automation just using N10, Google Sheets, and Gmail. Now, cold emailing can take a lot of manual work. You have to collect leads, write emails, send them one by one, follow up to people who don't reply, and then make sure that you don't accidentally keep emailing after they already responded. So in this tutorial, we are going to automate this whole process. The automation we will build will take leads from the Google Sheet, then send them a personalized cold email, move them into the follow-up sequence, and then send follow-up emails automatically. Each email will use lead details like first name, business name, their industry, and location. So every message feels more personalized instead of looking like a generic blast. But the best part is the automation will also detect the replies. So when someone replies to a cold email, N10 will detect that the person has replied, and automatically it will be removed from the follow-up sequence. That means we won't keep sending follow-up messages to the person who has already replied or responded. This series will have 3 videos. This one is the introduction where I have explained you what we are going to do. In the next video, we will plan the automation step by step, including the Google Sheet structure, the email sequence, and reply detection logic. In the third video, we'll build the whole automation in the N10 and we'll test properly so you can see the full process working from start to finish. By the end of this series, you'll understand how you can make a cold emailing system that sends email follow-up automatically, track leads in the Google Sheet, and stops the sequence when gets the reply. So subscribe to the channel so you never miss the upcoming video of this series, and like to the video will be awesome. Let's meet in the next video. For now, have a nice one. Bye bye. Take care.